He's a little bobblehead. Are your hiccups making you go bobblehead? You know we're gonna use this as blackmail later, right? To show that you were a cute baby. Yeah. That way when you're 17, 18 and beating up the boys, we have proof that at one point you were cute.
And not just mean and nasty. Anastasia. Anastasia, baby. Hi, baby. Anastasia. Look at mommy. No.
Just looking at the camera like, what is that?
No, she's not looking at the camera.
Yeah, she is.